Welcome to our channel Blender Tips. In this tutorial you will learn that how we can convert any picture, any photo into the 3D format. So for that, first I select all and delete everything and press N to open the screencast keys, and here I turn on the screencast because you can see which I press. So first I enter into the file, and in import you can see that the option scalable vector graphics. If you cannot see this option in import, then in edit enter into the preferences, and here you type SVG, and here the add-on import export scalable vector graphics is enabled. So let's start. So first I import the scalable vector graphics, and here in desktop I download 3 different scalable vector graphics designs, and if you find any photo in PNG or JPEG format, then you can convert these formats into the SVG by using any online conversion website. So first I select this and press the import SVG, and here you can see that our SVG format is imported in Blender. So press A to select all, and first I scale it something like here. Beautiful. And here I select these are the different curves, and press again A to select all, and press Ctrl J to join all these curves. And here in object I select origin to the geometry, and here you can see the origin, and then press Shift S and selection to the cursor and focus this. Now here you can see that our design is imported in Blender, and here you can change this in curve properties. Here you find the option geometry, and here you can extrude these curves. So for that I enter the value 0.0001, and here you can see that the extrusion is added. And color properties, I add some colors by default, and back to the color properties. Here you can see we can also add these are sharp edges. We can also add the bevel to these edges. So in bevels, here I type 0.0001 to add bevels, and here you can see that our perfect design is imported in the Blender. So you can also convert this design into the mesh. For that I convert this into the mesh, and here you can see that the mesh properties added, and if we enter into the edit mode, and here you can see, and also select the face mode selection mode, and here you can see that our 3D model of this design is created easily. And in material you can assign any material as you like. I assign some this kind of material, and it's look like so beautiful. So in this way you can import any design in photo format in Blender to convert the 3D models. Thanks for watching.